is made, we click on this refresh button and that purchase order decreases from this pending amount and increases in this done amount. Here we may see our PO that with the BO number 45 and from which supplier that we have ordered comes in this grid. Along with that, it comes next in this GRN field, where after the purchase order is being sent to the supplier, we stock in that product when it comes back to our organization. Here we may see the buyer name, the buyer number and its style, description, the color, the PO number, the date on which that PO was made, the name of the party, the total number of quantities that we have ordered, the rate that we have applied over it and the total amount mentioned over here. Just double click on this field, it takes us directly to the Challan in form with the details, GRN category, GRN against, as it was against the purchase order that we have made, it's coming as PO over here. The Challan number and bill number are the two mandatory fields with which we want to save this GRN. Here we may enter the Challan number as 12 and bill number as 31. The party name comes over here, it's same name from which supplier we have received this Challan in. The PO number gets calculated and comes in this grid over here. Here we may see the material name, its type, the color, the different sizes that we have mentioned, its MRP. This is the MRP which it gets calculated what we have mentioned in our product master. And other details, if any required, we may mention over here. The size breakup of that quantity comes over here, as if we have made the purchase order of one medium and one large, so it's coming over here with the size total in this grid. We may even change this GRN in this field also. If we have reduced this one and increased one item over here, then this changes our GRN same to 2 total, and just click on save to save this GRN. When it gets saved, it asks us if you want to print. See the print of it, click on detailed over here. This is the goods receipt note. Here we may see the GRN number, the bill number, the Challan number that we have mentioned, along with the details of the product, as if it's a finished product, its material name, unit of measurement, the quantity that we have ordered and the total. About the size details all comes in this grid. After the GRN is made, we have stocked in that product, we'll click on refresh. That comes in this done field over here and pending dispatch. Here we may see that the product that we have ordered, buyer order number 45, is coming over here with the total quantity of 2 and its rate and the total amount. We just double click on this form to dispatch this order back to the buyer from which we have received the buyer order. Here we may see the dispatch to gallery, this is the name of the gallery to which we are delivering our product, the department in which we are delivering. Supposingly if it's in store, we select store over here. The buyer name and buyer number automatically gets filled. Select this to approve our order. The detail of the product comes in this grid. We may see at the bottom the color blue and its size breakup is coming over here with the total size in this grid. Click on save to save this dispatch. If we want to see the print of this dispatch, just click on yes and detail option. This shows us the dispatch or pick order that we have made, its category, the dispatch number that was auto generated, along with the product details with its color and size breakup details, its unit of measurement, total MRP and amount gets calculated and comes in this grid. After we have made the dispatch, it is coming in this done form of dispatch and the pending invoice in this field. Here we may see the pending invoice is coming over here as buyer order number 45, its buyer name. Again we'll just double click on this order and the party name where it was billed, and consignee name is the ship to name that we have entered in our buyer order form. The challan number and the detail of the material that we have made comes in this grid automatically with the size breakup that we have mentioned. We have mentioned the blue color with two different sizes, small and medium. If we want to enter any transporter detail too along while making our invoice, then we can enter it over here and just click on save to save the invoice, and yes to see the print. This will show us the print of our invoice, bill to where it is being billed and shipped to where it is being shipped, along with the buyer order number, the mode that we have selected in our buyer order, and the way by which it is being shipped. It's by road, along with the details about the product, its color and size breakup, the total quantity that was ordered, the amount, and terms and condition that we want to enter, we can enter over here too. And this is the way our invoice is being made. We can even print this invoice to see the print of the invoice. And this is how the complete process works over here. And just refresh, we'll see that invoice comes in this done invoice part.